Office Life. This is take one. Stapler Boy.
Co-host, Mikey. Watch this now, boys.
Co-host, Kevo. Let's do this.
Wait, you watching, lads? You watching? It's epic.
The Stapler.
Yo, I'm a hot mod, the astronaut crashing while jacking off the bucket. It's Asheroth eating applesauce. Earth the cold caskets in the asphalt sauce. Knock my ashes into their caskets and laugh it off. Sicker than mad cattle, in fact, I'm all sick niggas with a crisp with blasted off. Stop screaming, bitch, you shouldn't be that alarmed. The big on the attic.
Piano.
Girl puts the ass in assassin. Puts the pieces of decomposing bodies in plastic. Puts them in a pan and mixes it up with scat. Then gobbles it like that. Black bitches and catfish. It so happens that I'm so haphazardous. I'll puke a piece and put it on a hook and fucking cast the shit. I'm asking that you faggot rap actors take action and get a hall pass for this class act shit. How the fuck I fit an axe in a satchel? Slip capsules in a glass, she dizzy rascal.